Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to order on Temu in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your Temu app. Then on the search bar, you can search for any item that you want to buy. So for example, I'm gonna search for handbags for women. Then just tap on the item that you want. Choose a variant. Once you have selected, just tap on Add to Cart. Then let's go back to the home page. You can also search for items based on their categories. So you can choose here, or you can also tap on the categories icon at the bottom. Then just choose any category and select more products that you want to purchase. Then the same process, after choosing a variant, just tap on Add to Cart. Once you have selected all the products that you want to buy, just go to your cart, just tap on the cart icon at the bottom. So here, this will appear all the items that you selected. If ever there's a product that you don't want to buy yet, you can deselect it here or just swipe the product to the left, then tap on Remove. Then tap on Remove again. Once done, just tap on Checkout. If you haven't added your shipping address, you will be asked to enter a shipping address, so that's where the products will be delivered. As you can see, I have already added my shipping address here. So let's just tap on our preferred payment method and tap on Submit Order. Once you have successfully processed your payment, you just have to wait for your order to arrive. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.